Hey Frank, what are we doing?
We're taking down the ceiling. It's too cold to do anything else right now. It's raining outside, so we can't work outside. The ceilings have to come down anyway, so we're gonna start taking down some ceilings while it's nice and cool. That way we're wearing protection and masks and everything doesn't make you sweat to death. It doesn't, it wasn't on our plan for right now, but you gotta do what you gotta do when the iron's hot. Strike while the iron's hot.
Yes. All right.
This area right there,
right here.
you see where the wooden spacers are? That is the chunk that fell one night and almost hit the one of the current owners at the time.
It broke a solid wood library table when it fell. And he had been reading underneath that space right there. So thankfully he was not hurt. But it will be safer for us to go ahead and take this stuff down. She's slowly dropping it anyway, but we have to replace them. That's kind of what we're up against right now. Frank is bringing down, we're going to set up some scaffolding. It's right here, and it's on rollers, so it should be easier to work in this area. But this is the library for reference, so people know where we're working. We did take the roller shade down that was over there, but it still looks like it's there. So, all right.
Because that's where the carriage.
That's the carriage.
Carport. The carriage port.
The carriage port. Yeah, that's right outside these windows. All right. There's that one. That should get us up close enough to start pulling stuff down. All right, here we go.
Flat bar. I don't think we can save all the little plastic thingies. We know when they were made and how.
Right. We have the mold.
You almost think we could save them though.
Well, the only ones left are on that piece of sheetrock right there. All the other sheetrock in this room has fallen.
No, that's true.
You can see the original plaster work that was there. I wonder what those corner pieces look like. All we have are the outlines. But there must have been one in each corner. Very pretty. Trying to protect the floor as much as we can. Dropping the plaster on the sheetrock will help with that. What was that hole to?
What?
That hole.
I knocked out the lath.
Oh.
I just, let's see what the
What's
fireplace look like.
Okay. That was under the drywall, just a decorative border all along. Very pretty. Okay, we are tearing down the lath as well, so that when we're finished tearing it all down, it'll be ready to go back up. So we don't have to do double work. So that's what we're up to. I know it's a little hard to see, but I know. All right. Well, good morning, everybody. And I have a few little projects that I want to try to do today. First off, this is our new little toy. I've got to tighten up these, but this is a magnet that I'm going to go around the yard and see if I can't pick up any nails. We've already had a nail in the car, had to go get that fixed. So I'm gonna give that a try and I'll let you see how it goes. Okay, I got the wheels tightened. This is kind of a cool little, it's a yard magnet and you just roll it around. I know it's a magnet obviously, but you can pull it up you can pull this handle and it lifts the magnet up for you to get everything. So I don't know, let's see if it works. It's really high tech, I know. So let's see. Okay, once I got the wheel height adjusted and wheels tightened up, I just ran it around a couple times and it picked up a few. Not bad for just kind of rolling it around, but I went to get my tools, and just a tip, if you're going to pick up your toolbox, make sure that it's latched, because you tend to make a mess of it and all your little sockets fall out. So now I have to find all my sockets before I can continue on. So there's my mess. So just like, all right, it's done. When I was putting the toolbox back together, I took the magnet over and ran it on the ground and found a few more nails to go with it. So maybe, just maybe, if we get all these nails out of the yard and the driveway, I don't have any more flat tires. All right then, moving on. All right, I'm gonna be working in the library, and I'm gonna try to clean a lot of this stuff up off the floor and try to knock down some more of that stuff up there and see what we can do about all of that. And just trying to get some stuff done. All right, I got the tractor in place, and now it's time to get busy. Okay, I had a few distractions this afternoon, but I got a bucket full of debris and I kind of clean up as I go so that we're not crunching constantly over the plaster once we knock it down. And so that's what I did today. I continued on from where Frank started and broke out the plaster, and I came over on this side and broke out some more. And that's what I got accomplished. I did not get all of it because those strips there, I had trouble getting them down, and I just ran out of daylight. But that's as far as I got. I still need to get the nails out, but you can see part of the pile of lath that we have going, a couple of tubs and that trash can that I showed you. So we've got all of that, and I still need to come back and get all this cleaned up. But I have to keep sweeping so I don't crunch the plaster underneath the wheels and grind them into the floor. So, yep. But my day here is just about done. I'm gonna go dump the tractor bucket and put the tractor away, and then go home and do some other things. So, all right, catch you on the flip side. Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by Frank and Carrie's Adventures. We really enjoy making these videos and appreciate you joining us on our journey. So feel free to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, feel free to share our videos, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can know when a new video comes out. Until next time.